Hey, I'm Bob Konserak. I'm the proposed CEO for First City Bank. In this ongoing series of videos we've done, I'm delighted to be here this afternoon with one of our organizers, Michelle Coleman.
Hi, Bob.
Michelle is a part of the community. She's been around in so many organizations and so active for so long that we're delighted to have her as a part of our team as we work to launch First City across North Fulton. Michelle, what got you interested in this project?
Well, I got a phone call from Steve Beecham, and he told me he had the idea of opening up a community bank in downtown Alpharetta, and asked me if I wanted to be a founder, and I said, well, of course, let's talk about it. Let's get the proposal going. So it's an amazing vehicle to introduce the community to different charities. Like we've talked about the Donor Advisory Fund, opening that up here and making it specialized towards local charities and putting kind of a spotlight on them. But also, you know, we started our company here 34 years ago in Alpharetta, and we still maintain our home office in Alpharetta. And, you know, it's where my kids grew up, it's where my community is, and I'm honored to be a part of this group.
That's fantastic. We spoke recently with Scott Dahl, our experience officer, and like you, he serves on the board of many community organizations. And one of the things that I like to say is if you're going to be a community bank, what is the community that you want to champion? And so your involvement and your passion in that one particular aspect of it is part of the colors that bring this thing all together into a pretty cool tapestry. 4 or 5 years from now, when you look back on this, what do you want to be most proud of?
Well, in 4 or 5 years, I see the bank really connecting with the community and helping young couples, educating them on homes, home loans, people that have elderly parents, helping them with educational programs. I'm just looking forward to the bank growing and prospering alongside the community and showcasing some of our new entrepreneurs, some of our small businesses that are just starting in downtown Alpharetta. I'm looking forward to being on the advisory committee and coming up with programs to serve the community.
That's great. Thank you very much. You had mentioned a number of times the Donor Advised Fund. Tell us what a Donor Advised Fund is, and how do you think that could really be effective in the way that we launch this little organization?
Well, it's a fund that's specifically set up for donations to be spent from it. You can't, you know, have a debit card for it. It's just monies to be spent on a 501c3 organization. I like that because a lot of the times with Rotary and with a lot of the other groups that you and I belong to, people are like, oh, can you donate $100 here? Hey, can you Venmo $100 there? And you can kind of easily lose track of the money that you're donating. This makes it much easier. Again, the charities we champion, it just makes it streamlined. You know where everything is going and it's organized. And being a community bank, we can waive certain administrative fees. We can also extend certain perks with First City Bank.
I love the phrase, do your giving while you're living so you're knowing where it's going. Right?
That's right. Absolutely.
Okay. That's what a Donor Advised Fund does.
Sir.
Well, we're delighted to have you with us. We're delighted to have this team that's launching First City Bank, and we look forward to the continued involvement of fantastic folks like you.
Thanks, Bob.